Hey guys, it's me, Ty. So it's message time. This video was actually inspired by a conversation that I just had with my best friend and my cousin. And my best friend said, doesn't life get boring sometimes? Doesn't it just absolutely get boring? And I said, yes, it does. Especially when you don't have anything to look forward to or anything that fuels a passion that you have. A lot of us go to work. This is the routine. Wake up, go to work, do some stuff that you don't really like at work, distract yourself with social media while you're at work, get off of work, go home, see to your kids or your family things. If you're in a relationship, you have the sex, go to sleep, wash, rinse, repeat. Right? A lot of us have that routine. But if you are not intentionally putting things in your day that bring you joy, bring you more knowledge, things that you're energized about, life will be boring. And how much life has to go by, how much time has to go by before you realize that you're not getting that time back? There are no rollover minutes. Just because you spent time doing something that you do not like, once you find something that you do like, it doesn't extend your life. Every day that you live, my mom used to say this. It's a bit morbid, but I understand it the more and more that I mature. She said, every day that you live, you get closer to your death. And it's true. And a lot of us live as if we will never see the end of our lives. How many friends and family members have you personally lost? And you thought in the back of your mind you would have more time with these people. A lot of people think that they will have more time. Shoot, in my mind, I think I will live into my 80s. But I don't know that to be true, right? That's why it is our job. It's your job to find the things that you love. And to not just find them, but to do them. And how do you do that, Ty? You start small. I'm about to start a hashtag. Start small. You can look at the people that you admire on TV or on radio, any form of media. I need my glasses. I was being dramatic, but I need to see what's happening right now. Make a list of those people. Look at why you like those people. What quality about them do you admire? I'm going to let you in on a secret. Your spirit points to things that you have within you. Undiscovered talents and things. For instance, I used to love Oprah Winfrey. Still do, right? I didn't know what it was about her besides her looking like me and being in a public platform. I didn't know what it was specifically until I asked one of the most important questions that you will ask in your life. Why? Why? What is it about her that I enjoy, and what is it about her that attracts me? And the thing that I love most about her is that she has created a platform to share and exchange knowledge that can help people experience their lives to their full potential. So to me, she is a channel in which wisdom, energy, clarity flows through. And she's such a strong channel that she attracts experts from every field to address the things that other people need. I love that about her. Why? At the time I didn't know, but I'm a channeler as well. I love the process of my spirit teaching me things, me learning things through life, and being able to share that with other people. I don't know if you can tell, but I really like doing this. I'm pretty sure that you can tell. I'm pretty sure that you can. Because it makes me lively, right? And just because you're not in the space that you want to be in and you haven't found your thing yet, doesn't mean that you can't. Because if other people can do it, so can you. And your spirit is amazing that way. It will point out things and it uses your feelings. See, this is This is what I mean. We as a generation of people have gotten so used to not feeling good that we second guess anything that feels good. It almost feels unnatural to enjoy things without some semblance of doubt or waiting for the other shoe to drop. And because we navigate our lives in that way, we're never fully in the moment enjoying the things that we are meant to enjoy. And then, because we're not enjoying them, we're not multiplying them. How many times have you met a guy who was really nice to you and you was just like, I just can't get along with him. Like he's just, I can't, it's just something about him. Could it be that he doesn't represent the dysfunction that you're used to? Could it be that he doesn't have the right mix of trauma that makes you feel something? Because we get in the habit of thinking that the things that produce a big emotion are the things that we're supposed to do. Sometimes those butterflies are not butterflies of love. They are butterflies telling you that this individual is going to break you open to such a soul level that it's going to cause a transformation within you. Them ain't butterflies of love. No. Your destruction, you just say hello to your destruction. But if that is the way in which your spirit knows that you will transform into the person that you want to be, because your desires and your thoughts, they're always heard. Your prayers are always answered. So even in your current life, if you don't represent the thing that you want and you don't have any idea how you're going to make these changes, but inside of yourself, you are wishing and praying and thinking about a better version of whatever life looks like to you, the universe will move in ways to connect the dots for that to happen. But a lot of the times, we have to peel back a lot of the layers, like an onion, of things that we've covered ourselves up with. For instance, if you've had trauma in love, in order for you to receive the love that you really deserve, you got to let go of trust issues. You got to let go of unworthiness. You got to let go of pessimistic attitudes. You have to let all of that go in order to experience the love that you are asking for. But you may not have any experience of living or existing without those layers that you used to survive. A lot of us take those survival tactics and we use them to navigate the rest of our lives. No, baby. That was to help you survive. That was not intended to use for the rest of your life. Once you get through it, you set it down and you leave it. And that's the work that you and I really have to do. But I just wanted to come with this message because you know how I feel. It came through me. I don't want you to waste any more of your time. You're not getting any more of it. And wouldn't it be a waste of your talents, your spirit, your energy if you were not showing up as yourself on a consistent basis? We deserve to see the real you. If you can't do it for yourself right now, do it for Mama Ty, okay? I deserve to be on earth with a bunch of people who are thriving, loving their lives, and beaming with joy. Now, before I end this, I don't want you to mistake this as saying once you find it, you'll never doubt it and life will be perfect. No, that ain't how that work at all. Okay? Because I know I'm operating in my purpose and I have some days when I'm low. Okay? Low. All right? But at my baseline, I know who I am. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm capable of. And when you can hold on to those things, you don't really reach the bottom of the well, if that makes sense. So I'm going to end this here. You're not getting any more time, sweetheart. You owe it to yourself. You owe it to the rest of us to be doing things that you enjoy on a daily basis. All right? Make sure you schedule your readings by clicking the link in my bio. Follow me everywhere. I am at Divinely Ty. And that's your message.